is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station mid-70s near the lake. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles. Flood advisory in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Champaign, Clark, Clinton, Dark, Greene, Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Warren. And in Indiana, Fayette, Union, and Wayne. This concludes the weekly test of weather. A 20% chance of showers through early afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. West wind 5 to 15. Northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected. Limited thunderstorm risk. Limited fog risk. Discussion. Widely scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon. 7. On the Rolling Fork River, Boston was 12.0. 75 at Fort Wayne and 74 at Chicago. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 73 at Goshen, 74 at Lafayette, and 74 at Indianapolis. Here is the regional was 547.7. Here are the latest forecasts for the Ohio River. McAlpin Upper was 12.9 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 12.7 on Thursday, 12.7 on Friday, and 12.7 on Saturday. McAlpin Lower was 13.4 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 14.0 on Thursday, 15.7 on Friday, and 21.4 on Saturday. Candleton Lock and Dam was 12.0 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 13.2 on Thursday, 13.8 on Friday, and 17.0 on Saturday. The current time is 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of Indiana and Kentucky, including the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Du Bois, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Orange, Perry, Scott, and Washington. In Kentucky, Adair, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Breckenridge, Bullitt, Casey, Clark, Clinton, Cumberland, Fayette, Franklin, Garrard, Grayson, Greene, Hancock, Hardin, Harrison, Hart, Henry, Jefferson, Jessamine, LaRue, Lincoln, Madison, Marion, Meade, Mercer, Metcalf, Nelson, Nicholas, Oldham, Russell, Scott, Shelby, Spencer, Taylor, Trimble, Washington, and Woodford. When, through this evening, the following impacts are expected: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions across north-central Kentucky and south-central Indiana. At Louisville International, light rain was falling. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 74, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind was west at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and steady. At Bowman Field, it was cloudy. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 74, and the relative humidity 87%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and steady. At Jasper, light rain was falling. The temperature was 73 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.00 inches and falling. Once again, at Louisville International it was 79 degrees with light rain. Elsewhere around the region, at Covington, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 71. At Bowling Green, thunder was reported with a temperature of 83. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 79 at Jackson, 86 at Nashville, 73 at Evansville, and 77 at Bloomington. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 80 at Frankfort, 81 at Lexington, 82 at Paducah, and 74 at Indianapolis. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 4:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time. For portions of south central Indiana and central Kentucky. For today and tonight. Showers and thunderstorms are expected. Localized flooding issues are likely in areas that see training storms or repeated rounds of heavy rain. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Several rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected during the upcoming week. Heavy rainfall is expected in some showers and thunderstorms, and flash flooding is possible where heavy rain persists for an extended period of time. Thunderstorms may also bring gusty winds. Spotter information statement. Spotters are encouraged to mostly clear with a 20% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Chance of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of measurable precipitation 30%. Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of climate information can be found at weather.gov/Louisville. Flood advisory in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time today. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Portions of south central Indiana and
test of the Noaa weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver, perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches.
Following counties, Henry and Oldham. When? Until 1 p.m.
Fort, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, Cobb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, Jay. State of Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiant, Henry, Haldy, and Van Wert. And in the state of Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Noaa Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.
The current time is 11:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday night, showers with thunderstorms likely. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the upper 60s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows around 70. Monday and Monday night, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s. Here are the latest forecasts for the Ohio River. McAlpin Upper was 12.9 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 12.7 on Thursday, 12.7 on Friday, and 12.7 on Saturday. McAlpin Lower was 13.4 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 14.0 on Thursday, 15.7 on Friday, and 21.4 on Saturday. Candleton Lock and Dam was 12.0 feet this morning. It is This is a test of the Noaa weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and/or hazards in south-central Indiana and north-central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south-central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north-central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. This concludes the test of the Noaa weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here are the latest forecasts for the Ohio River. McAlpin Upper was 12.9 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 12.7 on Thursday, 12.7 on Friday. Heavy rainfall. No widespread severe threat is anticipated at this time. Heat indices over 100 degrees will remain possible each afternoon through next Tuesday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. The current time is 11:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were taken at 11 a.m. Atlanta, it was partly sunny. 85 degrees, dew point 71, relative humidity 63%. Wind west at 12 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.17 inches and rising. Around Atlanta, Chamblee, it was partly sunny, 84 degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Marietta, it was partly sunny, 84 degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Mableton, it was partly sunny, 84 degrees, wind west at 7 miles an hour. Peachtree City, it was mostly sunny, 86 degrees, wind southwest at 6 miles an hour. Lawrenceville, it was partly sunny, 84 degrees, wind west at 10 miles an hour. Kennesaw, it was mostly sunny, 84 degrees, wind southwest at 9 miles an hour. Elsewhere around the region, Athens, it was partly sunny, 87 degrees, wind variable at 6 miles an hour. Gainesville, it was partly sunny, 85 degrees, wind west at 10 miles an hour. Macon, it was sunny, 88 degrees, wind northwest at 6 miles an hour. Columbus, it was mostly sunny, 84 degrees, wind west at 5 miles an hour. Birmingham, it was partly sunny, 84 degrees, wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. Rome, it was sunny, 87 degrees, wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. Chattanooga, it was partly sunny, 86 degrees, wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. Asheville, it was sunny, 81 degrees, wind south at 3 miles an hour. Augusta, it was sunny, 89 degrees, wind southwest at 9 miles an hour. St. Simon's Island, it was sunny, 86 degrees, wind southwest at 7 miles an hour. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Today, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening then clearing. Lows in the lower 70s. Light southwest winds. Thursday, sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Heat index values 99 to 103. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening then clearing. Lows in the mid-70s. Light southwest winds. And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the lower 70s. Saturday and Saturday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the lower 70s. Sunday through Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the lower 70s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the lower 70s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia. For today and tonight, isolated thunderstorms are expected across North Georgia and portions of central Georgia this afternoon. These storms could produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. Heat indices could exceed 100 degrees in portions of east central Georgia this afternoon. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms are possible each afternoon and evening across much of the forecast area through Tuesday. A few storms each day could become strong, capable of producing gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. No widespread severe threat is anticipated at this time. Heat indices over 100 degrees will remain possible each afternoon through next Tuesday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia. For this afternoon and tonight, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Isolated thunderstorms are expected across north and central Georgia, primarily for far north Georgia near the state line and south of a line from Macon to Columbus. These storms could produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms are possible each afternoon and evening across much of the forecast area through Tuesday. A few storms each day could become strong, capable of producing gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. No widespread severe threat is anticipated at this time. Heat indices are expected to climb to near 105 degrees, near heat advisory criteria, on Friday and Saturday for portions of central Georgia. Heat index values could reach 100 degrees around the Atlanta metro on Friday and Saturday as well. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the